Hey YouTube, this is No Way Out 360 here to show you guys my Goodman air conditioner. It has the Copeland scroll compressor. Probably can't see it, but it's down there. As you can see, it's kind of dirty a little bit. Got the Copeland scroll down here. Right here is the disconnect. Not a bad unit. The Goodman logo right there. That's just the Goodman there. Pretty nice unit. It was manufactured in 2006. Is what I've been hearing about. Not a bad unit. It's pretty good for its size. And this house right here is pretty big. It's 2-something square feet. I think 150 square feet wide, I think. I'm not sure, but I'll take a look at the house on the net later. Yeah. And the compressor's pretty good, not too loud. Now, let's go see the thermostat inside. Take a look at it one last time. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Okay, let's go over here to the thermostat. Over here to turn on the light. And right here is the thermostat itself. I believe it is set to 75. Yeah, 75 it is. Should be able to kick on any minute. Maybe if I can get it to start up. That was cool. Yeah, this is the main air duct to the Goodman furnace slash fan motor. Yeah, because we also have a gas furnace. Pretty good unit. I like it. It's not too bad. Yeah, this is the thermostat here is a Honeywell 4000 programmable, so it's pretty sweet. It is amazing. It's awesome. So yeah, guys, that's about it, and I will see you guys later. Until next time. Goodbye.